Sometimes you want to provide different price on same product to different types of customers. We can create price list for this purpose. A price list helps you to define a product's price different from original price. So to begin with the price list, navigate to Products and Price List. And in the top right corner there is a button named Create Price List. Click on it. This will open a pop-up for creating a price list. Here you can enter the name of your price list and the currency you want to use. We have two choices for applying discounts to your products: discount percentage and discount price. If we select a percentage, the discount percentage will be applied to all products' prices. However, if we select a currency symbol, the set amount will be reduced from all product prices. Then enter a description for your price list. To construct your price list, click the Create button. Your price list is ready to be used. You can change the name and description of your price list at any moment. If you want to modify the price of a particular product in your price list, simply click into Input box and enter the price you want. You can also apply a price rule to adjust all product prices in one go. Or you can download the price list in Excel file and then import this Excel file after modifications to update prices in price list. If you wish to conceal your price list, select the Hide option, and to display again, click your price list by going to Show Price List. Make a copy of your price list with a similar or different name. Click the Delete button to permanently remove your price list. To apply the price list to your items while creating any document, for example, the invoice document, choose your price list by going to Document Standards and Templates. All product prices will be updated in accordance to selected price list. You can also connect a price list with a certain customer. By doing so, whenever any document is created for this particular customer, their connected price list will be applied to the document. To link a price list with a customer, browse to Customers and open the customer. Click on Settings on the customer page. Then scroll to the price list. Choose your price list for your client and save. While creating any document, for example the invoice document, as we can see, the pricing list is instantly updated to the document when you choose your customer. Please visit invoiceoffice.com for further videos and explanations.